Good morning, you guys. So I'm gonna do another video. I'm gonna do another sit down video because to me this is like so unprofessional. And when it comes to the design videos, I want them to be really pretty, just because, you know, 2020, I got new plans and new goals, you know. But I went to the house and I took 3 samples of flooring over there. And I just fell in love with this one particular flooring, which I didn't even think that I was gonna fall in love with it, but I did, and I absolutely love it. And even though it was a big enough sample, but because of an open floor plan, sometimes it is hard to gauge. What I did is I put it in front of the fireplace, I put it against the island, and then I put it against the cabinet, and it is gorgeous. And then I put it in front of the steps, and then I take it upstairs, and it's really, really beautiful. Even with the stairs being the dark finish on it, it still complements the stairs really nicely. So I think that's a flooring that I'm gonna go with. When I close, I'm not gonna move right into the house. I'm gonna close, I'm gonna let the guys come in and do all the work, just because I remember how dusty it was here when the flooring came up. And I am getting the hardwood floors downstairs and upstairs, and I am really excited, taking lots of pictures, lots of befores, because right now I'm gonna say in the real time I'm probably not gonna share it, because I have a lot of work that I still have to do, and I don't want to, you know, not get that work done. I think there was just a little bit of confusion when I said I wasn't gonna share the house anymore. I think some of you guys thought I was gonna share period, or I don't really know. But what I was saying is, some people were, I don't want to say complaining, but some people were like, oh, you're showing the same things over and over. And I'm like, you're right, I'm just not gonna share it anymore, you know. But I figured once I actually had something to show you guys was when I was gonna start, you know, sharing it back. Because like right now, I mean, it's the same thing, the same 4 walls, the same fireplace. So it's the flooring, the pantry, base trim, and the crown molding. Those are the 4 things that are gonna get done ASAP. They're gonna get done ASAP. So yeah, what else? I think that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and share the video with you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and I'm really excited about the floor. I think it's gonna look good. It's always hard when I'm recording to let you guys see exactly like the color and the tone, but I did do my best to share that. Also, I got my inspection done, so you guys are gonna see that also. All right, you guys, what I'm doing now is sharing with you the flooring. It's actually coming up a little bit lighter because I'm right in front of the window. Okay, I just darkened it. This is probably the truest color here. This is the true color. So this is going to be the floor that I'm gonna go with. I know it's, well, you guys will see it once it's styled, because right now you can't see it the way I'm seeing it. But this is one of the pillows to the furniture. Look at it, it looks so rich. I love it, it looks so good. And then here's the floor for the fireplace, which I may or may not change because of the height of the flooring, but it's so pretty. I just like it because it's not gray, and it has a little bit of gray. I'm gonna stand over so you guys can see and zoom in a little bit. That color is really pretty. I like it a lot. All right, really quick, you guys, these are the other 2 samples that I picked up, and this is the 3rd that you guys saw near the fireplace. I think this one here is a great contrast for this, plus I'm gonna have other wood tones. This one is entirely too matchy-matchy. This one, I don't like the green undertone in it. It's gonna clash with the color scheme that I have for the house. But this one here, again, let me darken. You see that? That's a really good color. And let me try to pick it up real quick, y'all. Oh yeah, because I want y'all to see it in the kitchen. It's gonna go through here. Oh, that's gonna be pretty. That's gonna be real nice. Y'all, this is gonna be really pretty. Oh no, let me zoom in, because sometimes I know some of y'all just gotta see it just like this. That's gorgeous. And I think it's gonna make the house even look bigger because it's so light in tone. But it has a lot of colors in it. I'm really happy. Happy.
One of your sinks in the bathroom has an anti-scalding device.
Okay, what is that?
We gotta find it. It's a thing that it grants the water temperature from going above 120 degrees.
Okay. Okay. How I look to you?
Pretty good.
Okay.
I've never seen a thermal pressure relief tank installed like that, but it's working. Let me show you this tank over here.
Okay.
This is just a picture for you, okay?
Okay.
That's a thermal pressure relief tank.
Okay.
When it does, it relieves pressure from the water heater when it's not being used.
Okay.
And once in a while, you gotta test that. And
What, like every 6 months, every year?
About every year, maybe.
Okay, I'm gonna write that down because I already made a list of like the air filters so I'll put that on there too.
And that's like you want to test this pressure valve on top of here once a year. I'll show you how to do that.
Okay.
But this one.
Yeah, no, I have companies written down that I call out yearly, monthly to come check stuff. This ain't my specialty. I know where to draw the line.
The windows. It's low efficiency glass.
Okay.
Is what it is.
Okay.
I'm not worried about this, but it looks like they had this there, but they never installed it. You know, so there might be a few doors like that.
Okay.
And all these receptacles, like your house, are tamper resistant. I'm not going to check them all. This house is really well built.
Thank you.
And the electrical stuff, I had nothing but accolades for this electrician.
I'm happy to
Except
hear.
that one thing I fixed in the electrical panel, you know?
Okay. Well, I'm happy you're happy.
Yeah. And it takes a lot. I mean, jeez. I mean,
the view
that's
is
a different builder, isn't it?
next door?
Yeah.
No.
Same one?
Yeah. Same builder. My thing is this. I've been over here as much as I could possibly be here, and when I see something, I make them fix it. This house here, they never came.
Oh, really?
They never came because I was coming, and they never came. This view, honey, this view.
Especially in the back.
I love this view. Ah. Okay, so I came in to do a quick little introduction. There was a part of the video where the guy who was doing the installation, he had the music on, so I really couldn't hear him when I was trying to play it back for you guys. But under the sink, which I'm going to insert now, that little valve that you see in the back wall, it has some sort of gauge, he said, that wouldn't allow the water to get to a certain temperature, is what he was talking about. And he was saying that that unit alone was approximately about like $400, which they put it in the kitchen. They put it in both the bathrooms. The inspector was really satisfied with the overall construction of the house, which made me feel really good. That's the reason why I went with this particular builder. And let me just say this, the model of my home is nothing special about it. I've seen the same model in Atlanta, I've seen it in Florida, I've seen it in North Carolina. So if you get you a realtor, they can definitely find you somewhat. But anyway, he was really happy with the overall house and the view and everything, and I feel a little bit better. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys finish watching, and I'll see you guys towards the end. that is pretty much it. So I've opted to go with the flooring. It is oak. The really good thing about it is the top is an oil finish, and the manufacturer said once a year they have a cleaning system that I can buy, and it's like an oil base or something like that, and it pretty much clean the surface, and it brings the floor back, and the floor can be sanded. I'm going to get my entire life together, I promise you. But I have about 5 or 6 videos that's going to be in the design series that I want to share with you guys that I think you are going to find helpful. There'll be great resources when you get ready. What I'm finding is, especially on Instagram, people are like, oh, I've seen your channel before, but I never paid attention. But now that I'm in a house, I'm like, oh my gosh. I'm going to be sharing tips and, you know, decision making in your home that I think that would really be helpful. They're not going to be cheap, I'm sorry, but they are going to be extremely helpful. But yeah, but that's pretty much it. I'm really excited because things are coming to a final things are coming to a head, and we are almost at the finish line. Almost at the finish line. Oh, and if you guys are wondering about my Honda hat, because every time I put it on, you guys are like, nah, yeah, I thought we told you about the Honda hat. You did tell me about the Honda hat, right? But I heard through the grapevine that Honda does sponsorships, and because, you know, it's a good car and all that jazz, unlike, I guess, the cars that you guys would consider luxury, like a Lincoln or Mercedes and BMW, what I heard is they let creators drive those cars temporarily, but then they have to turn them back. But Honda actually gives you the car. So yes, as long as the video isn't sponsored, you're probably gonna see me with my Honda hat, because if anyone deserves a Honda sponsorship, it should be me. I've had about, like, what, 4 Hondas. So yeah, Team Honda. Anyway, you guys have a really great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.